Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Brady.
Clay, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
what do we have new for 2026, Brady?
Yeah, so you'll see kind of for 2026, we're doing a lot of color stuff. Yeah, you'll see throughout the kind of like staples that we do and bestsellers of, you know, Bugouts, 940 Osborne, Bailouts. We have this, I think it's called Tyga Green. And then you'll see like some of this kind of bronze colored finish for the blade. Cerakoted, some of them are stone washed. So this is the Bailout. You'll see the Bugout. We have this cool like rich light inlay.
Very nice.
A lot of these will have like S90V.
Are you doing some MagnaCut in some of these too?
We have a new redesigned Bugout, which I'll snag really quick. And this guy does have some MagnaCut. So super thin profile. If you guys remember the Narrows,
Yep.
this is almost like a clone of the Narrows, but for the Bugout profile.
Wow, super thin.
Yes, and it's actually lighter than the Bugout because we don't have a liner in there. It's kind of integrated into the scale, whereas, you know, the traditional Bugout has a scale and then a liner on the inside.
Yeah, it's got the narrow scale to it. It's crazy. Yeah, I love it. It's awesome.
And some more color stuff. Shootout, right? Everybody loves an OTF.
Yep.
We're using Z-Wear, so new steel for us, kind of similar to Crewwear.
Z-Wear. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I like this colorway. What's this color called?
Tyga Green.
Tyga Green. A perennial bestseller for us, the Shootout.
We can move to some of the kind of tactical side.
I see some smaller fixed blades.
Yeah, so you'll see like the Sakshi line. You're probably already super familiar with these guys. We introduced some color. So you'll see military, like kind of sniper gray, got the like OD green kind of color.
Very cool.
And some black and FDE as well. We're doing the single edge, single blade this time, so.
Very cool.
I've got the Sock P folder. We did like a smaller version. Includes this little hook.
That's interesting.
Yeah, so what that does is, I don't know if you guys remember the Emissary Wave, but allows you to deploy it from the pocket.
Yeah.
So kind of stand over here, just kind of hold on and pull out this way. So we're doing it in black and the FDE here. We'll also include like a little back spacer that allows you to add kind of a ring on the end like that. So it'll be kind of similar to the Sock P dagger.
Okay.
But,
So 2 flavors on this?
yep.
Very cool.
And new for us too is this Slip Ridge, which is the folder, hunting folder. We're gonna do it in the G10 handle as well as this.
Cool. In MagnaCut.
Thanks for your time, Jeff.
Cool thing about this design is, you know, if you're dressing an animal out in the field and you get home, you know, a lot of times you'll have a bunch of gunk inside the knife, the mechanism, all that stuff. Instead of having a pivot here, you know, you can remove the scale pretty easily, and the pivot's under, or the bolt for the pivot is underneath. So you can clean it all out. Yeah, very easy to clean.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That's a nice addition.
So we have the folder version here. We also did a fixed blade version, and we sell them as a kit, or you can order it individually, just the knife and the gut hook.
Okay.
So this has the, I guess it's more Voltron sheath, but
Voltron, yeah.
pull this out. Here's the gut hook. And we're just using 440C.
Okay. And you can buy that separately from the kit. Or
Right.
each individual or together.
You got it.
Okay.
And then here's the fixed blade variant of the Slip Ridge, using MagnaCut.
Very nice.
Pretty awesome
Good looking
steel.
handle color.
And then same, just with the G10 handle.
Very nice.
Lastly, we got the 5-inch fillet. So a little smaller fillet knife.
Part of the water series.
Yep, you got it.
These always sell well. Water series is all MagnaCut. That's always nice.
Yep. Yeah. Good stuff.
Yeah.
So we came out with the Loden, I think last year. We did the aluminum in blue and red. This year we did an all blacked out version with the little gold accent.
Yep.
Super.
I love this model. One
Dude,
of my favorites. It is
so
fidgety,
fun.
man.
So fun to
I
fidget
was so
with.
happy when Benchmade came out with that. Like we'll go walking through the shop and just sit here and play with this
Yep.
thing, man. I love it
It's
so
on ball
much.
bearings.
Yeah.
Super flippy. Awesome.
just-
Fun little knife to to
Big time fidget factory.
deploy.
Yeah.
And then lastly, we redesigned our cutlery 3-piece set. So now you can order the 3-piece set as a whole or order them individually.
Yeah.
And kind of piece it out. So here's the big guy. We added this false edge up top.
Yep.
Here's kind of the middle child there.
Great color contrast on
And then
these.
finally the pairing knife.
Are
And
these DLC coated?
These are Cerakote.
Cerakote?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then same thing with the Maple Valley
Yeah.
Rich Light handle opposed to the G10. I think the 3-piece set Maple Valley is around $900.
Yeah.
This set's around $1,100, and then individually they're around like $370, I think.
Do you know when these are ready for?
Yeah, let me get this little cheat sheet real quick.
Yeah, this thing, it's like, it's an addiction.
So March 24th for
Okay.
the cutlery.
Cutlery?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Stock P daggers should be out. Most of the Bugouts, Shootouts, all that stuff should be around February 3rd. Fixed blade, hunt stuff is around August.
Awesome. Brady, thank you so much.
Yeah,
man.
of course, guys.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, safe travels home.
Yep.
Take it easy, guys.